crane just flew right in while I was taking a video.
Really?
Went right past the screen, yep. Two of them. I didn't even see, I thought it was one. Yeah, while we've been sitting here, I seen a log come over. I seen it halfway sliding down, but as soon as it came over, it made a big old noise. It said thump thump, and then it said splash, and then it spun for a while at the bottom. Huge log. I finally just caught my first catfish. It's been like 2 or 3 hours since we've been here. I've been trying to bobber, but I couldn't get a bobber to work. Joe's caught a few on bobber, and I finally put it on the bottom, and boom. 10 minutes, I caught one. Hell yeah. Sometimes when you're fishing, them bucket things right there fill up with water, and it overflows out quick as shit. What's up? You're not hooked very good. Oh yeah, you're hooked good. You slaughtered that thing. Was that the
slaughtered?
Was he dead?
No, he was not dead. It was a bad hooking experience for him. Woo! So I heard a tough thing here.
Blue Jay. And that pole could bend over while I got this video rolling. This place is snag city. Fishing on the bottom is like Russian roulette. You should never ever do it. I'm using this current that's swooping around and going straight off of this point. It's holding my line off of the bottom. If it was normal circumstances, your line would just slack out and then lay across the bottom all the way to wherever your bait and your hooks and shit, your sinkers are. But with this current, it's holding my line up off the bottom, and I've been good. I ain't got a snag yet. Where the fish are at. For sure. He's way over there. Alright, y'all, peace.